Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the master volume in Guildrun. Let's begin by opening settings. From here select audio. Next, on this first gauge, select a value. You can choose between values as low as 0 or as high as 100%. Of course, this controls the overall volume of the game. 0 being muted, so no sounds from the game, 100 being maximum. This also controls it impacts music volume, SFX volume and voiceover volume. For example, if I set all of those to 50 and also that to 50, it is basically as if I would select this to 100 and those to 25. So that's, I think, all I can say about master volume. After you make your adjustments, simply hit tack. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.